हम लोग पूर्ण स्वाधीनता दिवस मनाएंगे. Yes or no? Yes. And then what will happen? Then we saw कि after 1930 Gandhi back to फिर गांधी आ गए पिक्चर. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then Gandhi back to film under the dominancy or under the leadership of Gandhi, under the dominancy or under the leadership of Gandhi, we are starting the civil disobedient movement. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what is the civil disobedient movement? The movement which cannot be. You can say that the civil disobedient movement is a movement where we are with patience, with calmness, with you can say that ki, with principalized formula, we are denying everything. हम लोग सब कुछ क्या कर रहे हैं? Deny कर रहे हैं. क्या कह रहे हैं कि सविनय अवज्ञा, सिविल डिसोबीडियंट, सविनय सादर विनय करते हुए आपकी बात को हम मानेंगे नहीं. There is a no violence involved. And when the savina avagya, or you can say that the civil disobedient movement is dominating, then the Irving, who is the governor on that time, Lord Irving is prescribed how to handle. They call Gandhi. And British government has also prescribed, and that is why fastly with no pre-plan, British governor or British Parliament decided to round table goal is 1930, and that is why in 1931, in 1930s, there is a no Indian National Congress which was held. 1930 में कोई कांग्रेस अधिवेशन नहीं हुआ. समझ रहे हो? And after that, Gandhi denied to participate. On that time, Gandhi was Congress and Congress was Gandhi. Gandhi Congress था, Congress ही. Yes or no? And that is why the first round table conference has been unsuccessful because Congress is not participating. And on that time, Britishers are also accepting that particular thought. If the Congress is not participating, it will be not accepted. It means it will be not accepted by the 70% people of the India. 70% अगर कांग्रेस नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करेगी तो 70% ये बात है ये सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा. Because all the parties which are participating, like the Hindu Mahasabha, like the Muslim League or the Ambedkar's backward class, also you can say that participate, but they are know that they are a section of the Indian people. They are not representing India as a whole.
Yes,
Yes or no? And that is why in 1931, firstly the Lord Irving Gandhi Pact, and after Irving Gandhi Pact, Gandhi will decide to participate in the second round table conference. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And in this time, 1931, when the Gandhi Irving Pact, Gandhi demanding so many demands, but all the demands has been almost accepted except one, where the Bhagat Singh has been.
Yes.
This demand cannot be accepted by the British government. Is it okay or not?
Yes.
And after that, 1931, the Gandhi decided to participate in the second roundtable conference, and Gandhi go back to London with the SS Rajputana.
Sit.
Yes or not? And they are talking about on the table Ramsay matter. And Gandhi, where on that particular talk, Ambedkar demanding the separate electorate, and Gandhi never accepted this. Why? Because it will sectionize India and it will demolish the national integrity of the India. राष्ट्र जैसा कुछ नहीं रह रहा है. तो गांधी again back to India and they start the second phase of civil disobedience. Yes or no? Or Ramsay MacDonald, or you can say that the communal award has been released from the British. Britishers से communal award release हो गया, and after the releasing of communal award, what will happen? There is another separate electorate. Yes or no?
Yes.
And again, Gandhiji in Yeroda jail, they are until to the past, until to death past. Amar sir. अब क्या होगा? After again Congress and whole India is pressurized. If the Gandhis what will happen? अगर गांधी मर जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? तो क्या suddenly the circle of Motilal Nehru, suddenly the circle of, you can say that not Motilal Nehru, Madan Mohan Malviya, Tej Bahadur Sapru, they all are calling Ambedkar कि मान जाओ भाई, क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो? तब तो गांधी, पर गांधी जी तो जेल में, the Gandhi's representative here is Madan Mohan Malviya and Tej Bahadur Sapru. They are talking and Gandhi is only signature. कि the seat will 147. Yes sir. कुछ फ्लैशबैक होता है? Yes sir. आए? बताओ क्या इतने लंबे टाइम में बहुत जल्दी डिस्कस कर लिया? आए? Yes. अब उसके बाद क्या? After that, वर्क 1935. 1935.
Yes sir. In the act है.
And which will our a 70% constitution is currently.
Yes sir. 1975.
Yes sir.
Yes. 35.
Yes.
Yes sir.
अब इसके बाद क्या होगा? अब बताओ. इसके बाद क्या होगा? 1936 का election, which is presided by JLN, and 1937, which is presided by Subhash Chandra, and 1938, which is त्रिपुरा अधिवेशन कब हुआ था?
त्रिपुरी
1938.
यस सर. और वो था हरिपुरा 39.
38 Manipura, 39 Tripura. Haripura is also held by Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, sir.
And Tripura is centered. After that, Sardar Patel is presiding the Congress because Gandhi's candidate is Pattabhi Sitaramayya. Yes or no?
Yes.
And there is a misconception between, there is a rumor that Pattabhi Sitaramayya is the representative of
गांधी.
याद आ रहा है?
Yes sir.
कितने लोगों को बात समझ आ रही है? अब ध्यान से सुनो. अब जब आ गए इसके बाद क्या होगा? मतलब there is establishment of forward bloc.
Yes sir.
Because Subhash Chandra Bose is separated from the Congress. Yes or no?
Yes.
And after that they are going to
इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी बनाएंगे. अफगानिस्तान, जर्मनी, फिर सिंगापुर.
They are come back to
They are come back to Singapore. Singapore.
And they are participating into the Azad Hind Force, which is made up by
Mohan Singh.
Raj Bihari
Bose.
Bose.
Yes sir.
What the hell is it?
Yes sir.
ऐसे याद करो.
दे दिया गया केवल इनको.
After that,
वो बनाया था इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी का.
after that, Subhash Chandra Bose, under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose, came to India via Andaman Nicobar to Tripura. Yes or no? And in that time, there is a starting of 1930 and there is a starting of second. Yes or no? On that time, India's voice is very most stronger than the previous ones because India is more collective, more confined towards their objective. Okay? And again, Gandhi will come to Congress, but not the member of Congress. Gandhi अब कांग्रेस के मेंबर नहीं है, अब कांग्रेस में आ गए. Yes or no? आए ना, अब जब आ गए कांग्रेस में तो वोट देना क्या हो रहा है इसके, गांधी जी सेज दैट भारत छोड़ो कोई नहीं, क्या है तो भाई अगर at any cost they are wanting that people who are quit all their works, जो आदमी अपना पूरा काम छोड़ के आना चाहता है आ जाए, राइट। अब जब तक आज़ादी नहीं मिलेगी तब तक यहाँ आंदोलन
चलता है
इन ग्वालियर टाइम मैदान में
मुंबई
ये सुनो, अब आगे भारत छोड़ो, व्हाट विल बी द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ भारत छोड़ो, क्या इम्पैक्ट, व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ भारत छोड़ो? द फर्स्ट इम्पैक्ट इज firstly the Indians are politically from separate nation or the full Swaraj. Full Swaraj is like applicable. अब भारत क्या मांग रहा है? And they are not agreement. They are not. You can say that they are not in the frame of mind that भाई कोई भी हमसे नहीं कहते कि डोमिनियन स्टेट में हम क्या भारत छोड़ इम्पैक्ट ऑफ तुम मुझे खून दो रहा
do and die. It's a do and die.
इम्पैक्ट ऑफ नेवी रिवोल्ट,
Yes sir.
हाँ है ना, क्या इम्पैक्ट है? भारत में इतना साहस आ गया कि नेवी रिवोल्ट, यस और नो? भारत में इतना साहस आ गया कि ब्रिटिशर्स आर फर्स्ट टाइम ब्रिटिश आर्मी इन द sphere.
Yes sir.
What is the impact? First time Britishers are saying that the Indian bureaucrats are not as much as honest as we want. जितना हम उनको ईमानदार समझ रहे थे और उतना नहीं समझ पाए। ब्रिटिशर्स आर, अब ये इम्पैक्ट है सब, पढ़ो ध्यान से, सब पढ़े हो, कनेक्ट करो कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने कहा लाहौर में गोली चलाने के लिए पुलिस एंड आर्मी वाज डिनाइंग दैट, तो भाई हम नहीं चलाएंगे अपने लोगों को, इनका क्या कर सकते? Yes or not? And that is the alarming situation. And Britishers are decide that ki our future is not more longer in India.
Yes sir.
Because the Indian peoples are more patriotic, more you can say clear for their independence, अपनी स्वतंत्रता. And this bill led to the 1947 independence. Yes or not? बताओ. आए ये पूरी कहानी किसको मालूम है? क्या कर रहा हूँ फोन में? वीडियो बना